I always loved the look of a transparent taskbar, and it even works on Windows 11. This is so easy to implement, anyone can do it. Start by opening your favorite internet browser and pointing it to this website. The link is in the video description below. Under the download section here, click the releases link. And right here, under the assets, is the file you want to download. Click it to proceed with the download. Once the download is complete, click here to open it. Since this is a zip file, you need to extract its contents to another folder. I'm just dragging it to my Documents folder, but you can put it anywhere on your disk. When you open the folder containing the extracted files, you'll see these three files. The activation of this application doesn't require any installation or using any administrative permissions. Double-click this file to activate the application. As soon as it runs, you can already see the impact on the taskbar.
Please subscribe.
To implement a full transparency to the taskbar, choose this option and slide this all the way to the left. But wait, there's more! If you click the Options link here, you'll see the available options to configure this application. Click this to start the application minimized. This will apply your settings when the application starts. This will register the application to run every time you restart your computer. And this allows you to choose a different taskbar look when you have a maximized window open. Clicking this link allows you to configure the look for maximized windows. Every time you have a maximized window, these settings will apply. Otherwise, the main taskbar settings will be active. This drop-down list allows you to choose other looks and customize the taskbar to look exactly the way you like it. There's this one and this one too, but the one I like the most is the transparent one. When you minimize the application, you'll see it's active in the notification area. You can always double-click it to display the application and from there change any of the settings to reflect your mood.